Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my 12-week fall cleaning challenge. If you are joining me, the link is down below if you haven't linked up your video yet. And if you're wondering how you're gonna join, how you can join at any point. I post videos Monday mornings at 7 a.m. with the playlist, and you can just link it up. There I also post the next week's challenge in my blog post, which is linked at the bottom of in the description box for the following week, and you can also print out a checklist that's in the blog if you are following the same cleaning schedule as I am, or you can also just clean something. This is decluttering and organizing and straightening out. It's not necessarily your everyday deep cleaning type of challenge. It's just to get our house ready for the upcoming holidays. So for the week 4, I was working on the kitchen, and some of the things that were on a list were organizing and straightening out all the cupboards, cleaning baseboards, light switches, windows, washing the curtain, and cleaning the garbage cans. Now another thing, two other things that were on a list were well, actually there were 3 of them: cleaning the fan hood, the oven, and the fridge and the freezer, giving them a deep cleaning. And like my deep freezer in the kitchen always gets decluttered with things that we don't need to be in there.
When you come, everything just turns around.
I did not get to do those things because I ran out of time. Now for next week's challenge is a catch-all week, as well as cleaning all the light fixtures. So I am planning on cleaning out my freezer and my fridge, as well as my stove and my fan above the stove this week. I've created this catch-all before I move on to the basement or upstairs, so that way one floor is completely done. So as you can see, I was wiping down all of my cupboards and straightening them out. They weren't too bad. There's just a couple of them couple drawers that get messier, and one of the corner cabinets that gets messy because it's constantly used, and things just sometimes get thrown in there where they are not putting in the way they should.
I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun.
I have a whole separate video on how I organized my pantry. I use mason jar for organization, and I will link it up in the eye in the sky for you guys to check it out if you wish so.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun.
Now the one thing that I was doing this week was also cleaning out my grout. Now I'm not cleaning the whole grout in the whole kitchen. It was just this area around the stove and where the coffee maker is. It just seems to get really dirty. I'm using the cleaning paste from Norwex, and it works really good. I use it with some water and an old toothbrush and just scrub it until all of it is gone, and it really does not take long. I strongly recommend this paste. It works like magic.
You gotta be my someone.
For cleaning walls, baseboards, and light switches, I just use an all-purpose cleaner that I dilute in the water, and I was using the Lysol in an orange scent. I just really like the scent of this one, and it's I think it's antibacterial as well, which is not a bad thing at this time of the year.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
This is my little homework station, command center, that I keep my receipts, and like a family command center. I keep my receipts, I keep all the school notes. There's a calendar here, and while I was cleaning it, I dropped my phone base into the dog's water bowl. So I guess I have to now go out and buy a new home phone, since that was my last one. It's cordless, but and it came with like 5 or 6, but I've had left some outside in the rain. It's just I'm not very good with these phones. So I put an end to it by dropping the base into the dog bowl, and the bowl had water in it.
believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't, yeah, this ain't no.
Guys, my garbage was beyond disgusting. I let my kids take care of the recycling and the garbage, and let's just say they don't do a very good job. So I was spraying it with a Method antibacterial spray, and I let it sit for a while, and then I came back and just wiped it all down. Everything came off. It was just really disgusting. And I also washed my garbage bins. I let them soak because there was some stuff stuck to them, so I let them soak for about a good hour, and then I just cleaned them up. I like the fact that I can completely take apart this garbage system.
Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you.
So if you joined me for this week's challenge, thank you so much. I love watching what everybody's cleaning and gives me motivation. And if you are going to be joining me next week, just let me know down in a comment. I would love to see what you're going to be doing for the following week. So until next week, hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy cleaning. And thank you so much for watching.
The sun's gone down.